So then I'm gonna get to my destination, and here's the very exciting part. I'm going to meet a Growmie in real life. Well, I'm checking on everything. I think I finished. So I've already come down and completed the rounds. So we might actually be able to say that the things I thought were males are actually females. But like this one I still think is a male. But I just still suspect that one. This one, no idea. Just trying to keep it healthy. And that one back there too. These two are like possibilities of being good. So these tomatoes are almost 4 months old. If I can keep these smaller ones alive for 4 months, then they'll be easily transplanted outside. I got huge tomatoes this summer if that's the case. If I could put them outdoors eventually. I have to check their lighting schedule again. They're acting like I have them in flower or something with the light yellow in the middle there. Oh, my lettuce looks great. I just did this transplant about 10 minutes ago. To make sure, because that yellow on the leaves has me suspicious. 3, 4, 5. It's only got 6 hours. I'm going to give it a little bit more darkness. Yeah, 6 hours of darkness is usually what I do for seedlings, but I've got full plants in there and they're still just doing 6 hours of darkness. So that's just the quickest check in the world. I filled these things about 3 times each, plus another one. And then I found my bubbler so I can make a tea. I think I'll bring one upstairs for tea. Bring the blue one. Worm castings. I'm not gonna bring it up now. It's a little messy. Come on, ladies out there. The floor got a little wet. I didn't have the cup lined up under the tube just right. I'm gonna have to fix that. Here they are. They had nutrients yesterday, so they look a little strange, a little constricted. The color's a little odd, but they'll be fine. I'll give them some stuff to help them take the nutrients in a little bit easier. I don't have recharge, so I have to make my own. That's right for the best. That's one, yeah. The stem is interesting here, red and green stripe. Tina is a secretary, mother of 3. Down at the local arcade is where we used to meet. So 73%, 84 degrees, but it's just fading out. It's probably gonna need battery soon. I tied this to that so that it wouldn't just like fall away really easily. At least we got sun today. I'm gonna show up dirty, no shower, no hair, just dirty. And I might be actually taking the long route. So I'm gonna take the long route. It's gonna take me 3 hours instead of 2. I'm gonna record a little bit while I'm driving. This one, I'm already going 75. Oh, here we go. So I'm on the road to the Boston area. Northwest, I guess. I turned on the camera quick for the sunset. So I didn't know if I was going to say anything. So what am I saying? Protest day, protesting. It's getting towards the end of the day. To get to my destination at 4 around. But in my head, yesterday I said, you know what? As crazy as it sounds, I'm probably not even going to get there till like 10 p.m. And it's looking closer to 10 than 4, let's say. I'll probably get there by 6 or 7. I'm actually going to pay tolls. I don't like to. I like to take the long route, but treating myself to some toll roads almost didn't slow down in time. They're staking that spot out right there. And I could see them when I slammed on my brakes, so they probably saw that. That's okay. I was just going a little bit over 10 miles an hour. These designated protest days are really busy. And full of news too at the same time. Not listening to news, I'm listening to my podcast. Did not get my nails done, so I tried to do my own, and I lost 2 already. I did a terrible job. So then I'm gonna get to my destination, and here's the very exciting part. I'm going to meet a Growmie in real life. I think that we have, some business to discuss. So hopefully we do this. Definitely want to go places, do things, maybe go eat or something. I don't know. But yeah, this is going to be different. I think occasionally I'd love to meet the Growmies because you can't meet them in person. I already know who I know, and I know they don't smoke and they don't grow, and the people at the dispensaries are working, so they can't sit and hang out and chat with you all day about everything. There's nice people there. Some of the nicest retail people are dispensary workers, I've noticed. I've got a big old truck trying to run me off the road. I don't know, I just got a sense from that driver. I know truckers. I know what's up. If they feel comfortable, if this person feels comfortable saying who they are, going live, making a little video with me. If not, I'm just going to do this, and then I'll follow up afterwards on the way home. And hopefully we can do something plant related out here. I don't have my own bud, so I may have to hit a dispensary, or just won't feel like it for something, a different flavor or something. Here's the thing that I like, is hopefully they have weed. Hopefully we're gonna smoke. That's what, oh my god, imagine if I get there and they are in between grows and have nothing. That would suck so bad. I see that there's a lot of traffic heading out, so that must be protest traffic, because we're not heavy here, but heavy, I think that's coming out of the city. Yeah, so we'll be back with more on this new adventure. Yee! I'm in park. Yeah, I just have to look around. I'm at the secret location. I lost my keys. Well, I dropped off the thing that I brought down there. Yeah, they just couldn't bring themselves to come out, but that is pretty normal, I'd say, for those of us online. I could see myself doing the same kind of thing, just like not really able to adjust to the situation fast enough for how it's happening. A really nice area, so I can't wait to, I got myself a really nice room, so I'm gonna stay in this room. And so I'm not unhappy that I came. I'm really glad. I needed a break. I wanted to come out, and I might even head up to my favorite place to stay, like for tomorrow. That would be like from here. And hi person, I know you're watching, so hi, this is what I'm doing. You could track everything I did when I came here. All right, check back in a moment. So I'm in the hotel room. Hotel room is not that bad. It's one of my favorite places. To stay in a room away from home and not have the responsibilities of my house like calling me constantly. Even the plants, just everything a break from. Just a couple of days away so I can jump back in and feel more into it. Dispo weed is like foam, like packing foam. Like pirate's booty. Popcorn. Oh. I think it has a light THC level to it. I'm trying to roll something to bring out to the THC. Oh, very low. 0.3. I don't know if I showed the room yet. This is pretty much it. The blinds are interesting because they look out into the hallway and then through the window on the other side, which looks into the dining room and the breakfast area. like, well, it's a restaurant. It's like kind of a nice restaurant. It's all closed now. You can see those windows on the other side. Neat. And then it's got this open area, dressing area, and then bathroom area. And they still haven't texted back. I spoke to them since 6:30 p.m. and now it's 10. 3.5 hours. They would have checked their phone by now. We never had a time or day set, and then they said anytime. So I just said, okay, I'm coming this time. And then they said, okay. But it was on and then it was off. Ooh, I should not have eaten that when I popped that little piece in my mouth to get the texture of it. That just made the whole back of my throat and the bottom of my ear and my tongue all like react. It's allergic. Oh, I brought Zyrtec just for this very instance, just in case this happened. Because these are so good. Yeah, that is itching so bad right now in the back, right where I even have a little bit still left in there. Yeah, no, that's not good. Kind of wish I had mushrooms. Giant snowstorm is coming where we're supposed to get like 15 inches of snow, like an insane amount of snow. Let's see, there's a place about 2 hours away that I want to go to. And I hope I did everything for them. I filled those humidifiers as high as I could. I fed the cats lots of crunchies and left bowls with crunchies and hope for the best. I just know that there's always something to do in those tents every time I check in there. So if I'm missing about 5 checks, 5 or 6 10 checks, the amount of time I'm gonna be gone. Check back in a few.